Okay, let's remove the coils now. To do it, you just insert something in here. You can collect these copper windings and then sell it to the junk shop. I think the current price of these copper windings is at 400 pesos per kilo. So it's also good money if you could maybe generate quite a few kilos. Okay, we have removed it. Just remove these plastics. We're pulling it out. So that's how easy it is to remove those windings. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.